MGM. People love this casino. I think it's like one of the more popular ones that when I film. Okay, let's check it out again from a different point of view this time. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are at the MGM, and by the way, I'm on a bike, so I'm riding my bike slowly. Other times I go inside and I have some videos that I'll link. Oops, I'm going one-handed, so I got one hand here and one hand here, and we're just gonna kind of check out this MGM from the outside this time. You can see that train that's going by right now. That train has a station right there. So there's a station so you can get into the MGM, and there's also the Morpheus, that kind of funky looking building over there, and then the Wind Palace is right there too. So that station serves both of them. There's a big dragon by the station. So both of those are served. Both casinos are served by that one station, but actually MGM actually has two stations. I'm going to show that to you in a minute. And so the other station is just down here, and it shares it with this East Asian Games station, which is right there. Way in the distance is kind of housing and lots of cranes. So I think they're building quite a bit more in that direction. I was thinking of going around MGM, but I think that it might be a little difficult. I can see like I'm gonna try it from the other way though. But it looks like there's a big giant parking lot there. I think MGM owns a lot of the space over there. Probably. So what we're gonna do is maybe try to go around it on this side and just kind of give you a context of what it looks like from the outside and what's around here. You know, if you were to try to navigate, it's a little bit challenging sometimes to walk around these areas. The casinos are quite massive. Look at that whole row of oh, that's a pretty cool motorcycle right there. Huh. They're even gonna stop right there, so I might be able to go through. Let's see if I can. Looks like I can. That's pretty cool. Okay. So there's our MGM again. We're just gonna take a bike tour around it, and then later maybe we'll take a bike tour around the Wind Palace as well. Usually I go inside, but I think you've seen me film inside a number of times, or at least a few times. So so this might be a little bit different context, just to be able to see it from the outside. Huh. All these people are going around. Oh, they might be a driving school. I think they're a driving school. They all got yellow on, so I think they're a driving school. I think there's a place. There is a place that's kind of not too far away that does. Let's just show you this direction a little bit. There's Morpheus Casino. There's our giant dragon of it's had a pack of cigarettes on the thing. So there's a giant dragon. I'll definitely do another video and just go around the Wind Palace on my bike as well. But yeah. So anyways, that's the MGM right there. I might try to do an MGM from another perspective, but this is our pretty cool Wind Palace as well. Grand Hyatt, Morpheus, this is Londoner. On the other side is I guess I could usually call that the Cotai Strip, but I think all of this is the Cotai Strip. That over there is, there's a place called Hua Day Tennis. Let me get off the bike, park that baby. Wind Palace, Grand Lisboa right there. There's some new casinos over there. That one with the mural is Lisboeta. There's Macau Palace over there too. I think I'm gonna just call it a day on this MGM right here from this particular point of view, because at least you get to see it from this side where the monorail is at. This monorail will take you this way. It'll take you to the ferries that'll take you to Hong Kong or to China, or you can also get to the airport. It takes you all over the world, or whatever flights they have to different places. And over there you can take the monorail and get over to another station that goes to Zhuhai, China, or you can get off in different places around Lisboa. Sorry, Taipei. We're on an island called Taipei, and this is called Cotai. Okay.
Macao TV.